Hey guys, it's Greg from GWA Auto Parts, and today we're here with the AA ignition replacement ignition switch actuator that fits a variety of Dodge, Chrysler, and Jeep vehicles. Now when you get this part, be careful when you open up the bag because there's actually two little springs included in here. So you want to be careful not to lose them. So when we take the main part out here, see, here's one of the springs. Here's the main part. And then there's also a small silver spring. There we go. So you can see here, there's two little springs included, so be careful when you open the bag so you don't lose those. And this basically, this is the ignition switch. So this actually installs in the steering column or on the dash, depending on your vehicle. And this is what allows you to turn the key to start the vehicle as well as unlock the steering wheel. So this is a direct replacement for the factory part. It includes the needed springs, and it also includes the pin, which is installed in this location here, this brass piece here. If you have any questions or need specific instructions on installing this for your specific vehicle, feel free to message us and we'll provide you with the necessary factory repair manual to install this part.